Crypto billionaire 69 back with another in-depth daily technical analysis video on Dogelon to Mars. Before we get into the video, I just want to say a lot of people are being very negative at this moment, and it's very understandable as to why. I mean, look at the markets. They're getting controlled by their emotions, and that's okay. Not all of us are like that, but those who are being negative, please unsubscribe and leave this channel and never come back. Alright? We don't need you here. We don't want you here. You do not belong here. This is for people who want to make money in these markets. And if you let those negative emotions come over you, there's no point of even trying to convince you, because there's no convincing an angry person. Okay? So just leave, man. Unsubscribe. Anyways, that being said, let's get straight into this technical analysis. We don't deal with negativity. I don't deal with negativity here. Positivity only. Alright? Because nothing good comes out of negative comments, comes out of negative remarks. Nothing. And that's all I have to say about that. I don't want to get too in-depth on that, but my friends, it really makes me mad when I see people that don't know what they're talking about come in and start to say stuff that they don't know. And, you know, I'm not going to name drop anybody, but if it keeps happening, I might just have to. Anyways, let's get straight into this technical analysis. Sorry that we started off on that foot. It's quite ironic, but okay. We are heading back down to these previous 630 levels as support. We are seeing a nice little push. Some buyers are stepping in. Same thing with Bitcoin. We are seeing a little bounce as we come back down to these $30,000 levels, because it's a major previous support. So if you watched that 25-minute video yesterday, congratulations, you have a lot of insight on the market now. If you haven't watched it, I very much urge you to go back and watch that. However, what we saw there is showing that people need to feel pain, right? People are feeling pain right now. People are being very negative sometimes. However, those of you guys, along with myself, who understand how the market works, just knows that is part of the markets. People need to feel pain in order for us to make money. Now, it might be morally unethical, but that's how it works, and that's how it has worked for 100 and so years. So, what we are seeing here, right, we're seeing a little bounce, okay? It very well could drop back down lower than this, because once it does, there will be extreme pain in the markets. Extreme pain in the markets. Let's look at the crypto fear and greed index right now. Fear and greed index. Because we want to get these people. We want to get these. It sounds horrible. Not even we, but the institutions who really control the markets. They want to get these people who have invested in and pushed it higher here. They want to get them, first of all, to feel so much pain they have to sell for a loss and become resentful in the markets. And second of all, once the institutions get back in and push it higher, that resentment will turn into revenge trading. Okay? That revenge trading will allow those retail investors to buy back in, pushing the price higher. The institutions will sell it again, and then the retail traders will be left. They're just left in this constant market cycle of rinse and repeat, of losing and losing, because they just go at the markets with the wrong mindset. And we're seeing that now, and it's very, very annoying. It's extremely annoying, especially in this channel where I preach, like, guys, you gotta open your mind to this side of things. Negativity will only lose you money. That it will never make you money. Never in a million years. You might get lucky, but over a long enough time horizon, you will lose. So, be positive, my friends, and stay neutral. Because if you're positive all the time, if you're positive while it's up, you're going to lose money. But just be neutral and observe how other people are thinking. As it's higher, everyone's telling their mother and their grandma and everyone to buy. That's when you should be very, very looking at averaging out. As it's lower, people are getting angry that it's lower, and their accounts are in the red. And they're thinking about selling. And whenever you see other people start selling, because they think it's just over with. That's when you know we are hitting a low, because there's nobody else more to sell. If everyone's selling off, there's only buyers left. If you're in a nice asset, if you're in a good asset. So one thing that is nice to see here is that the volume is starting to pick up as we approach these previous resist or support levels. See here, the volume was very, very, very low, and the volume here was the volume here is getting a lot bigger than what it was here, which is good to see. Now, we can very well, this can be just a green candle. It's not confirmation. And we are still in this downtrend here with this 630s as support. Okay, so in order for this to become more bullish, we want to break through this downward resistance line. Once we do that, it will be very, very important for us to hold above that for a good 2 to 3 days. If you are holding long term, then this would be a really nice opportunity to get in. Okay, and average in. Don't average in your entire portfolio. And this is not financial advice. It's simple opinions from a crypto billionaire. 69. But what I am doing is averaging slowly in for the long-term 10x gain. Now, if you want to make 10x, that's really nice. If you want to day trade, that's okay too. Futures probably isn't the best opportunity vehicle, the best way to make money doing that. I mean, crypto is probably not the best way to make money doing that, but futures is. Well, that's for a different video. And yes, my friends, so we are hitting this 630 level, bouncing off. I mean, there's really nothing to see yet. There's nothing to see. It can go one of two ways. And let's drop time frames to get a little bit more of the action here. See this volume picking up? That means we are reaching a floor. We're reaching support, okay? It hasn't created a floor yet. A floor would look something like this, where it hit, and then it comes back up, right? We just hit once. So if it comes back down, hits again at these 630s, that will be considered a floor. But yes, my friends, it would be the best if we did come back down, hit the 630, created a double bottom, so it would look something like this. Came back down, hit, came up. Okay, that would make this support line much stronger than what it is now currently. Because currently we are in a downtrend, creating lower highs. When you want to create this double bottom, then start creating higher lows and break through here. Okay, that will indicate a market reversal or a trend reversal, not a market reversal. Crypto Billionaire 69. I love you guys. Stay positive, my friends. And yes, stay positive. Check out the Patreon if you want real-time buy and sell alerts. It is for those people who have work, who don't have time to watch these charts, who don't know how to watch the charts, and that's okay if you don't know how, because you will learn over time as long as you continue to watch these videos and check out the Patreon. It will be okay, and you will learn. You will learn. It's really just a matter of being around this type of stuff for an extended period of time, and naturally, as humans, we'll catch on to habits and terminology and learn how to do it. So yes, my friends, I will catch you guys in the next video. Crypto Billionaire 69. Stay positive, my friends. I love you guys. All right. Remember, I don't make these videos for you. I make these videos for me. And I see a lot of people taking these videos for granted in the comment section. And I don't like it, man. I don't like it. I make these videos for me. I started this channel for me. All right. I didn't start this channel thinking I want to gain 1 million subscribers. I started this channel because I wanted to track my own trades. And a lot of you new people don't know that. But you need to understand that I do this because I want to do this. I don't do this because I feel like I need to do this. We broke through those 69 levels. Woo! God dang, that gave me some energy. But just understand, don't take this stuff for granted, you know? Because I do this for me, and over time I have catered to you guys, and I like doing that. I like helping you guys, and I love seeing that I am helping you guys, because that really means everything. That really means everything. If I can make these videos for me, but also help you guys, that's everything. What I don't like seeing is that negativity, okay? That negativity. Just get out of here. No one wants you here, okay? Leave. I don't make these videos for you, alright? I love you. You're probably an amazing human. But just miss me with all that stuff, alright? I love you guys. Crypto being at 69. I'll catch you guys tomorrow or later today if I'm feeling frisky. Peace.